Alright, today we are going to do integration by parts. We are going to attempt answering this integral where we want to integrate the arcsin of y. So the first thing you got to do is you have to decide which is going to be your u, which is going to be your dv, because when we do integration by parts, we need to have this. Integration of u dot dv is equivalent to uv minus integration of v du. So we need to first decide which is going to be your u, which is going to be your dv. So from here, we are going to take u to be arcsin y. So u equals to arcsin y. Therefore, du would be 1 over square root of 1 over y squared. Alright, and then dv will equivalent to dy. So when you integrate dv, you're going to get v, and when you integrate dy, you're going to get y back. So this is going to be your d, this is going to be I. Differentiate, integrate. Alright, so now let's put it into our equation. So first you take uv, u multiplied by v, so uv will be x, sorry, in this case y. So it's going to be y sine arcsin y minus of integrate v du. Integrate v du, so which is going to be y over 1 minus y squared dot dy. Okay, now this part is already done. Now we have to integrate this part. So I'm going to bring it over here. We need to do by substitution again. So let u be 1 minus x squared. Differentiate this, you'll get du equals to negative 2x dot dx. We want to replace this y with dy with du. Alright, so it becomes all y term. So minus y squared d negative 2y dot dy. Alright, now we're going to substitute the information here. So we're going to get y arcsin y minus of integral of y under root u. We are replacing 1 minus y squared with u dot dy. Here your dy is equivalent to du over negative 2y. So we're going to replace this inside our equation. We will have du over negative 2y. Alright, so cancel off the y. We have y here. We can cancel this off. So what's remaining is y sinh arcsin y plus. How did I get a plus? Minus becomes a plus. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove the half out. This half, bring it out. So you're left with 1 over u half. How did I get half? The square root is half dot du. Alright. Now we're going to integrate this term. So when you integrate this term, you're going to leave it as a exponent, negative exponent. Integrate negative half dot du. So you get y arcsin y plus half u half. So we add 1, divide by half here, divide by the power, plus c. What do we have? Y arcsin y plus. This half can be cancelled off. So we only have under root u remaining. Now we're going to replace now. What was u? U is 1 minus y squared. So we're going to replace the u with 1 minus y squared. We'll get y arcsin y plus 1 minus y squared plus c. So now this is not a definite integral. We haven't put in the limits yet. So now we're going to put in the limits. Okay, there are two ways to do this. Now we have to remember that when we put in the value of y, we are actually getting an angle. So if you want to get the value, it has to be in the radian. So your calculator must be set at the radian mode, not the degree mode. Okay, otherwise you can choose to remember this. Arcsin under root 3 over 2 is equivalent to pi over 3, and arcsin half is equivalent to pi over 6. You can choose to remember this, okay? Or if you're going to use your calculator, you have to make sure that it is in the radian mode. Okay, I'm going to show you both. Now let's try without using this. Okay, let's say we don't remember this, we're going to use the calculator. So it's going to be, your limit now is from root 3 over 2 half arcsin y dot dy is equivalent to, we have the integration here, y arcsin y plus under root 1 minus y squared, no need plus c, under root 3 over 2 and half. Now when you put it in, it's going to become under root 3 over 2 arcsin root 3 over 2 plus square root of root 3, 1 minus root 3 over 2 square. This is the first limit. The lower limit would be half arcsin half plus root square root of 1 minus half square. Alright, so if you put this in, you're going to get this value here should be 0.9069. This value, make sure it's in radian. Your calculator mode must be in radian instead of degree. Yeah? This is going to be 0.5, this value. This term is 0.2618, and this value here is 0.8660. So when you solve all of this, you are going to get a value of 0.2791. Alright, this is if you're going to use your calculator to solve it. You have to make sure that it is in the radian mode rather than the degree. Now, what if we are going to use the terms in pi? That means we are going to use these terms here. Alright, how will it look? Root 3 over 2, I'm rewriting the limits. Okay, and it's going to be root 3 over 2 and half. Now again, we recall back, arcsin for root 3 over 2 is pi over 3, and arcsin half is pi over 6. So let's try putting this in. So what do we get for the first one? Here y is going to be root 3 over 2, no difference. Arcsin root 3 over 2 plus square root of 1 root 3 over 2 whole thing squared minus of with half arcsin half plus square root of 1 minus half squared. Okay, so we're going to replace the values with pi over 3 and pi over 6. So we have for the first term here, for this term here, for this one, it becomes root 3 over 2 multiplied with pi over 3. Pi over 3. So we have pi over 3 here. Done. So this is the term for the yellow, highlighted. Now the next one, 1 minus square root 3 over 2 whole thing squared under root. You will get a half there. So I'm going to highlight in blue. This term you're going to get a half. Then we're going to minus off with this term, half. Let me make it highlighted orange. Okay, we're going to do the orange color now. Half. Arcsin half. Arcsin half is pi over 6. Alright, so this is the orange. And the last one, I'm not going to color it. It's going to be solving this one. You solve this, you're going to get minus under root 3 over 2. Alright, So now what happens, you have to gather all the pi together. So gather these two terms, the yellow and the orange. You get under root 3 pi over 6 minus pi over 12 plus half minus root 3 over 2. Solve it. Make the denominator the same. So it becomes 12. So this becomes 2 root 3 minus 1 whole thing pi plus we have here 1 minus root 3 over 2. So this is your answer. All right, thank you.